Hi guys, testing it out again. This time, as you see, it's wobbly. Yep, somewhere else. I am now on Wayfire. A word of caution. This is the same PC where Steam works on Hyperland and had to figure it out on Wayfire. What's the difference? The difference is that the sofirem, right, Sophie for short, sofirem has, well, ArcoLinux has packages and sofirem provides them for you to click, and it's called ArcoLinux Meta, Steam, and then Intel and so on, right? These choices. I wonder if Conky Games, I wonder if it's still valid, right? If these are still valid. So please respond to me, should we delete them? I think that's the best approach, but I would like to hear you first. This is basically a meta package, which is devised by users saying you need this and this and this and this on AMD and this on Intel. But things change, right? So what I've done is actually installed sudo pacman -s steam. And then you get, I think, like 3 questions. Do you want this and this and that? And each time there are 5 choices to be made. And each time I took Intel. Because there is no NVIDIA here, there's no AMD here. I took each time Intel, like Vulkan Intel. We can a little bit see this. Here, there's a lot of stuff that comes in if you install steam-native-runtime. So that's the one I used. And all of this comes in. Right, all of this comes in. I have not chosen any of it. There are a few we had to choose. That's this one, the Vulkan Intel, I remember, and that's it. This is prior to my installation of Steam. You see it in the time as well. So all of this is a dependency for Steam. The only one I recognize is this one. And probably somewhere a lib32 Vulkan Intel, right? So each time I just chose Intel rather than AMD and NVIDIA. That didn't make any sense. But that's why I say maybe we should just get rid of it and you decide, just the way I shown you now, just let's install this one. I don't think he's gonna ask me any questions. Just Steam. So tap, use tap, native runtime it's called, and all the rest I have no clue what it is. I just built it for you guys. Steam Buddy and Steam Tweaks and Steam Think Launch. You figured it out. But this is done right. All the decisions have been made, but they were my decisions anyway, right? For Intel. So let me know if we need to keep those 3 around or not. I have a feeling it's out of date. All right, cheers.